is web design? Let's search. So what we are getting is web design encompasses many different skills and disciplines for production blah blah blah. বাংলা ভাষায় ওয়েব ডিজাইন হচ্ছে আমি এই যে সরি মানে হট ওয়েব ডিজাইন ইজ like we are seeing something here, a screen, and this is a website, google.com website, and what we are seeing here. Come here, I will show you something. Look, here I inspected. You see this here, like nice shadow and everything. This is the design. Okay, if you like, go here, style, and if you remove the designs, it will change the look. It will be like, let me clear google.com. Okay, then you will saw that what is this. Look, it what is this? This is the thing here. Okay, this is google.com. You are seeing google.com right here. So the difference, and also there is some more things. If I like clear full all scripts, all styles, like this is a style. If I clear all style, you will see. Let me clear all. Look at here, this is google.com. So only some text, google interaction, like few text, nothing else. So when you are doing, putting some effort, putting some thinking and making it looks like this. Okay, when I reload, looks like this, like from that to this is design, this is web design. Web means web and design means design. So this is web design actually. So making from a b c d, what is web design, like blah blah, some text or no one should not read, no one can't read, no one wants to read, and making it like this, someone want to visit. This is called web design, and a web designer can do that, do this. Like if you have so much nice thing in your website, but people won't go there, people won't spend time there because they they don't feel like staying there, they don't like it. So this is web design actually. So how can this happen, how can these two D's happen? At first we have to know how can we actually, at first we have to put some text, this text, then we make that beautiful, some text, some images, then we make that beautiful. First of all, let's learn how to put some text, then learn how to make those text like beautiful or something, make it a good design. uh, w3 school, w3 school is a very w3 school is a very like good, very good. So you can learn from there, w3schools.com, go there. So already they have here, that's why I am seeing this, learn html. When I go there, first is learn html. What is this? Example, this is the main body. If you don't give this, like don't give, write this, it doesn't matter, html will be html. Html contains web. Whenever you go to web design, start with web design, you have to go for html file, because normal without development, when you develop, there will be like lots of types. If you use like uh, python or php or asp.net, wordpress, like different things. So when you go there, there will be different types of files like .cs, .py for python, .cs for c sharp, .aspx for asp.net, and .cs, html, .php, like different types. But the basic web design is .html. How can we start? We are going to at first open your laptop. Okay, just we will work with notepad. Okay, notepad plus plus. Notepad is so notepad plus plus. Please download this one, notepad plus plus. We will use that for today, and tomorrow I will give you a link. Okay, from there you will download a software that will look more nicer. Today use just notepad plus plus, and if you are using other software, then use that. So if you comfortable with any other software, then use that. No, don't worry about this. For now, for starting, I am talking about notepad plus plus. Download that and install that. Okay, here. Yes, of course, Sublime is good. Sublime has some features. I use Visual Studio, though it's like high featured thing. So right now you cannot download that. That's why it is big. VS Lite is or VS Code, it's light, so you can download that, but not today. It will be tomorrow. And on another reason I am telling you to use Notepad. Sublime, for Sublime or any other IDE, this is called IDE, where you code. Okay, where you write code and publish or something. This is called IDE. Why IDE? IDE means IDE. Okay, ABB. And Google is the, like, your most successful friend. Okay, you need it every time, or but you have to express by the right way what you need. Okay, so that's why you need to learn how to search IDE abbreviation. When you search that, integrated development environment. Environment is the main thing. Development environment. Okay, integrated is like integrated. Forget that. IDE means development environment. Wherever you developing, that environment is IDE. So Sublime, it's an IDE. Visual Studio, it's an IDE. So everyone is IDE, but it's called IDE. Okay, so Notepad plus plus. If you have downloaded Notepad plus plus, why I am telling Notepad plus plus? Because other IDs like Sublime, here he has Sublime has suggestions. Okay, like if you press like head, you are, suppose you want to write doc type HTML or like HTML head, these things. When you, sorry, my cousin just texted, let me reply. He's my cousin, he's a politician. Okay, so uh, for other IDs like Sublime and VS Code, VS Studio, they will give you suggestion. If you try to write like this, sorry, like this, and HTML, then like they will suggest you HTML, blah blah blah. This makes your memory like less sharper. Okay, you will forget everything. You will forget these tokens, because they will create in Visual Studio. They create everything. They create, like, you are just press some one button, then they create like many things. That's why I try to start with Notepad plus plus. That's why your memory, like, he thinks that yes, I remembers that. Your memory remembers that. Okay, so let's open files. Yes, learn new every day. Let me have a folder. Everyone, please, if you opened your laptop or computer, please here give a folder 04 today 13. That means today's date. And having this will help you to like organize things. Here you will create a file. You will learn what things you learned today you put here. Okay, so for starting web design we need a HTML file. And what is the I mean HTML file, what is C# file that I told about, what is Python file, what is those. If you go to a folder something, you will see at the last there is .txt. This is the extension, and if you don't see it, you have to organize folder layout option. Sorry, I'm getting a call. Please excuse me, please. Hello, assalamu alaikum bhaiya. Hello. Okay, I am joining again. I am turning off the video because I am in my bed. Ha ha ha. But my camera is not turned off. Okay, it's okay, doesn't matter. Let's start. Okay, so here you will see, like, for properties folder options view, here show hidden. Here you will see that this mark is there, so you have to make it off. You don't want to hide extensions. Okay, then apply. Okay, then you will see like .txt, this types of extension. Okay, so this extension where HTML file means at the last there will be .html. So let me create a HTML file. When we're creating a new txt file, there already .txt, we have to make that .html. Okay, okay, so what should we name it? Day one. Okay, do this day one .html. Look, when I gave HTML, this shows browser. That's because I set it the open suite to Google Chrome. Okay, that's why it's this. So when I double click open it to browser, it's nothing, it's not nothing in here because we did not write anything here. Now look, edit with Notepad plus plus. Everyone please create this type of file and then edit with Notepad plus plus. And this is empty. Okay, now I told you that these things doesn't, we don't need those. Okay? We don't need those. If we like write something here, hello you, and Control S for save, if we save that, and if we reload, we got it. Look, these things we don't need. But why do you write this? We write this because of like section and orientation. Okay? For structure, wave structure, we have, my son is crying, he is up, sorry, I'm sorry. For website structure, everything has a structure. This thing, they provided a guideline that we should maintain these structures, and the SEO, the other crawling browsers, everything that uh, looks for these structures. Okay, like a browser like Chrome or Mozilla, Opera, Mac browsers, Safari, there will be CSS. Okay, after title, meta tags, there will be CSS. Okay, then like JavaScript, normally put the JavaScript at the last, because after CSS there is contents, the things that you see, like to all doctor nurses, this thing. Then like at the footer or something, at the last of the body, there will be JavaScripts. Okay. Oh, sorry. Footer normally goes inside there. Okay, so we are going to do, let's do something. Let's select a target first. Okay, so what we are going to do, then we will gradually do that thing. Here should be template. Where can we get template? Suggest me something. Hello. uh, let me do something. He forgot his password. Okay, no one is seeing the stream, I think. If no one is seeing, I cannot ask. Just me. No need to call. Okay, I am disconnecting the call because forgot password. Where is forgot password? What an account. Give me a minute. Hello. No one is there. No one. Seriously? Okay, let me select something. Uh, okay, let's start with Facebook. Okay, we'll do Facebook homepage. That's a good thing. Facebook homepage. We'll make this. Let's make that. Load. Why there is no one? Okay, there is no one. I'm really sad doing this bad. I think they did not like it. Okay. Okay, at first, what do you have here? Here is a logo. Then this is logo. Image is first of all introduction. Let me go there. Here or this. Yes. And no web browser attributes editor basics elements. Go to O3 school HTML elements. Okay. Let's go there and only these elements. No more elements here. There should be lots of elements. Why there is no more elements? Okay, doesn't matter. We don't need W3 school. We'll make ourselves. Okay. This image, I need this image. I need to get this one. Let me get the image. Let me get the image. Version 3. Oh shit. Here is lots of this. Country. Sorry, it's family, so I have to do this. I'm sorry, please don't mind. Uh, let's okay, gmail.google.com. So at first image, we need Facebook logo. Let's get Facebook logo. From Google. Which one should we use? Learn here how to recover your Gmail account when you forgot your password. You are here to learn web design. Please just hold. Give me some minute. Last password you remember. Or try a different question. Phone number, yes, 73. বুঝলাম that's I already posted different. Okay, here like when I found the file, okay, there is sprite, there is sprite, okay, so sprite file is, oh, let me take like this snipping tool. You all have snipping tool. Let me take like this, okay. I'm taking this logo. Desktop files, learn new 14. I am putting img folder, okay. Inside img folder, name is logo dot png, okay. This is our name, logo name. What is this? This is an image, so we are going to save this. This is files, img. What does this this social bonding something, okay. Sorry, bad spelling, bad spelling, bad spelling. Social bonding like this. Then any other images? No more images. We just, then we need to have texts and css designs, okay. So at first logo, then email, password, uh, labels, this called labels. This is image, img. Image means in html it's img. Image means img. Like here, if you, p means paragraph, h1 means header 1. We have a heading, heading 1. We have heading 1 to 6, h1 to h6. We can use this. Page title. What is page title? When you go to Facebook, this is page title, okay. Facebook hyphen login or sign up, okay. So we will use that. Facebook hyphen log in or sign up, okay. So if you write that and reload it, look, here is Facebook login or sign up. That's good. We are here, we are doing it. Okay, account recovery, enter and email address. আমারটা দিয়ে দেই, 6-digit code. Give me a minute. Let me be over with this one. Google data requested Duolingo mail track should be in updates. Come, mail come. Where is mail? Lots of emails. Where? Come fast. Got it. 5, 6, 8. What's happening? What's happening? I am doing like shitty things. Uh, I'm really sorry. I should not lie, but I had to. Sorry. Okay. I am totally here now. Okay. Hey, who are here? Please tell me that doing this Facebook login page, is it all right or not? Just comment, please. Comment if Facebook login page is all right, please. If it's not, then I will create something else. Okay. Close this. I am fully here now. Okay, we just created title. Then for design purpose we will need a style file. We can write styles here, but it's not actually a good thing. We should have like reference a style sheet, then we will. Nope. And for that you have to go to css, any css, anyone. You can try it yourself. Style. Nope, they did not give links here. Link, I need a link, no link. Let me go to bootstrap 3. Bootstrap 3. Bootstrap 3. Bootstrap 3. Try it yourself. Yes, this is link. Okay, then this is script. Sometimes you have to put script at front to load like some things, or like to measure some things. That's a high level thing. You will need that later, but it will be always like first style sheet, then scripts. Okay, it's. Oh, another thing, what is this? Character set UTF-8 and meta viewport device with initial scale equal to 1. What is this? These two meta tags, these are for browsers. This one for SEO actually, and for other language, like for browser, based on language, you browser need to know the character set, which character set these are using. That's why. And this thing is for like responsive or non-responsive meta tag. Like if you copy this, like here is no these tags. Okay, so if I if I go here and if I inspect, and you can check for a web designer, you you have to like always may need you will need a responsive view. Okay, every time you need responsive view, because you have to take care of everything what is showing, what you are showing. Okay, so responsive like phone and PC, tablet, every device you need to take care of responsive. So this button, this allows you to view like how it will show in the mobile. Okay, so here is device, you can select device, which device you want to select, like Galaxy S5, ipad, it's a bit larger. Here is the pixel, how much pixel, Galaxy S5, this is small. Okay, you can select here device. This is a basic size, that's why this one selected. So look, here is the same as this, same as this. I don't think you will get any difference. Okay, now see, you saw the difference. Look here. You are seeing, okay, they are not clearing up. So when they are in the cache, whenever I gave the this whenever I gave this, they created a cache, created in cache. So you saw first time it was smaller, they did not know that it's mobile device, they have to like scale for a small make small text resizable, and this line does that. Okay, this line does that viewport device with initial scale on this line. If you remove this line, you will like lost responsiveness, all will be in like small mobile, you should zoom and see like that, not responsive design. You have to put that line to make responsive or start responsive work. Then let's start a style file. Okay, this is link. Whenever you use style sheet, you have to put link. This is a real style sheet, you don't need to write this, but it will be good to put it here for SEO and for browsers. They will know that it is a style sheet. And href is where is the file, it's a web file. If I like put it here, it will connect to the maxcdn.bootstrapcdn.com https here, and then it will get that file. For the local file, you can write here file name. So let's create a file here. For CSS, we can put CSS in CSS folder. Okay, in CSS folder we are creating a style sheet called style dot, instead of txt we will put css. Okay, css, we put it css. Let's open that file. This file is empty. So how can you reference this file? This file, the code you are writing is in here, and this file in css folder. So think about, this is base, so you have to go to css folder, then you have to go style.css. so first go to css folder, then means slash means go to style.css. okay, and think like, if it was like css, then like main design, then style css, then what you should do, you will then this main design css, then main design, then style.css. okay, so file naming would this. And if you want to go back, this is for inside If you want to go inside a folder, you will put slash. If you want to go back, you will put dot dot slash. Okay, so go back means you are going this file inside. Now you can go to these files outside. Where? In this folder. You can go to this folder, these files outside, and response dot, like I am giving this here. Okay, this is style. Then you have to go like dot dot back. This is back folder, then style dot css. Okay, back folder means I am here, I am going back. This is dot dot slash, I am going back. And what is forward? Forward is like folder name, then slash. I am going in, I am going forward. Okay, okay, this is a, and you have to follow these things like whole the time, all of the time, lots of time. So every time you put a css reference, a file reference, and javascript reference, any types of file reference or image reference, you will have to follow these types of slash, backslash, dot 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 slash, these things. Okay, so I have given link style. Then in the body, okay, body, what do you have here? At first there is a box, blue box here, and in this Chrome you have like a feature, it's called this one. Okay, if you take mouse there, you will see what's there, what's the CS is there, you will see everything. Okay, you see this is a box, inside this is another box, this is a first, this is a box, first this whole thing is a box, then this is a box, then inside this is a box, then image, then label, then text box, button, another anchor tag. What anchor tag? Okay, this, whenever you see this, a means anchor tag, this is a, okay, anchor tag, and this is box, text box, this is input type text. How can you know? Click here, input type text. Here is type email, because here you can only give email, that's why. Difference between type text and email is, in text you can put anything you want, in email you have to put at the rate dot, you have to follow the format. Okay, this is type password, but input type password. Difference between type text and password is, you can write anything there, but in password it will be like, it will hide. Okay, in password whatever you write, it will hide automatically, but when you inspect type password, if you change that, type it text, you will see it's the same. Okay, it's the same thing, just password means it will hide. Okay, then so let's, they followed here table. Okay, they used here table. They at first, in the body, they take a whole div, then they make a table to do this design. Okay, no, where did I saw table? Okay, they just had this, this is a table only, this is not a table. Okay, doing this without like a bootstrap or something will be a little bit tough. Okay, but you will learn everything, you will learn the basic things that is necessary. Bootstrap is like, we created a css file here, style.css. Bootstrap is like this css file. Okay, here if you write code, Bootstrap has lots of code right in there, and we call a class, this designs everything. This is Bootstrap, nothing else. I Don't know if you are getting me. Okay, thank you. Good choice, thank you. Guys, so good choice and Facebook logos. So this is a heading. It we don't need that Facebook. Okay, another thing. This is the action actually. What is it like? What do you say? What is going to happen? Okay, and on the left side, and after that there is a semicolon. Then how much will it happen? I will need to happen a border. How much on pixel? Solid type, solid and black. Okay, let me see what happened there. It has a background. Nope, no one is here. Now we have this background. Okay, this looks nice. Then top part, let's make top div. Let's give it some designs. Top div, we need to make the background blue. Okay, so blue, and we need to set a height. Height will be 100 pixel. Yes, but in Facebook that's not directly this blue. Facebook is like this type of blue. Okay, let me get the actual color. Okay, how can I get that? I can go here. Where is that? Don't hide, don't hide. Let me get you. Hello, let me get you. Hello, Facebook like hides right here. Oh, they are using image that has a shape. Look at this. They are using this gradient. Okay, so let's use that. This code, let's use this code. Okay, and let's do this as a backup. This is a backup system. Okay, and how is that? This background image, some browsers don't support this background image linear gradient. This linear gradient, some browsers don't support it, and if it doesn't support it, then it will go to this line and execute this line. And for this, like here I did not give any supported code. That's why for that browser there will be no background, there will be like white. So if I give like this, or can be logo footer. Is there any logo? No, there is not, but there can be. So it's top logo. Let's top div. Let's do it here. Top logo. Oh, and for changing this you can use control and tab. Okay, to switch quickly, control and tab, and alter and tab for this switch. Okay, this will help you work faster. Okay, image top logo, top left div. here I want to do something top left div. And another thing is, if you want to write same code for multiple classes, you can write like this. Like here we want to do this 50%, this 50%. That means with 50%, with 50%, same code. So if you want to do this, you can like comma first class, comma again dot second class, then this this way you can like take another just comma, say multiple classes, same code. What will be the code? Code will be with 50%. Okay, with 50%. You are not seeing it. If you set a background, you will see it. So it's a background. It's for this 50%, and this 50% there is nothing because it has no height. That's why you are not seeing this. Okay, you are only seeing this left part, and this is only this because of image height. It's not 100% height because you did not set any height. Height is not automatic. Height with nothing is actually automatic, so you have to set manually everything. Is it working or not? I don't know. Let me check. Receiving. Nothing. Okay. So today, let me just top logo. We want to make like a little under. Okay, under here, like in the middle, in the center. We want to take it here. How can I do this? We can set a margin here. Margin top. We can set like this. Okay, so it is in the center. See, this is in the center. And if we remove this background red, okay, now this looks like book. That's nice. 25, let me set 20. Oh, let me say it. The height, where is the height? Height will be a little less, to be 19 or 18. This looks like it. Okay, Facebook. Then right side we have some boxes. Let's do it tomorrow. Okay, it already 2 hours, so let's do it tomorrow. Tomorrow this is table, so tomorrow we will see table, how to post these tables. Okay, let's do it tomorrow. Tables, text box, labels, and login. Tomorrow inshallah we'll complete this. Okay, because main things like what took our took our time is like over, so we can do this tomorrow. Right now I think it looks good. Facebook, empty Facebook, but it's looks good. Let's take a screenshot and save it as today's work. Okay, nice. Okay, so I am signing off now. See you tomorrow. We have made this tomorrow we will complete this page, okay, and it will take 1 hour. Okay, bye bye, take care. Tomorrow we will start from here.